Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Shoot Street TV. I know it's been a while, just been busy working and doing all that family stuff and traveling too, but I just never had a time to edit my videos and upload. So I've been shooting, but just never had a chance to edit stuff. But anyways, for this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I shoot the streets of Germany with my Rolleiflex using a tripod. So I went to Bernkastel-Kues, a small town in Germany, and it's popular for Christmas markets and wine festival. And as you can see on the streets that I'm walking on, beautiful houses everywhere you look. And as the video goes on, you'll find out why.
Right.
I really had fun shooting with my Rolleiflex using a tripod. It's just a different experience, a different feel. And whenever I look down on that viewfinder on the Rolleiflex, and while watching and observing the buildings that I was shooting, it was just, I'm in that moment, you know. So my Rolleiflex comes with a selenium cell light meter on it. Basically, you don't need a battery to power that selenium cell on the Rolleiflex. Since my Rolleiflex is around maybe 40 plus years old, I wanted to make sure I get an accurate light reading. So I used the light meter app on my phone, and yeah, that's what I use. Shooting a Rolleiflex on a tripod really slows you down, but in a good way. It makes you think about the composition, makes you think about what you're taking a picture of, and you had time to just appreciate the scene in front of you. It makes the picture more memorable, in my opinion. So while I was reading the light through my light meter, I noticed this father and son walking away from me, and it's a good opportunity to include them in the picture for my last shot of the day. Thank you for watching Shoot Street TV. I can't believe people still are subscribing, even though slowly. Um, I'm almost at 400 subscribers, which is an accomplishment for me. I started this YouTube channel so I can have like a video document of my photography, basically, so I can watch myself, see what I miss, see what I can improve on, and of course share it with you guys so that you can learn from my experience. And yeah, thank you for subscribing. Thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks guys. See ya.